Friends, if you are planning to decorate your walls with a beautiful PVC panels and you are in a confused that how much it will cost and which are the best brands. So friends, in this video I'm going to share that the price and what are the material and labor cost, what are the benefits and drawbacks, which are the best brands are available in the market. So friends, before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So the first point is that where we can use this PVC wall panels. PVC wall panels are incredibly versatile, so you can use them almost anywhere, such as living room, bedrooms. So in living room, like your highlight wall, which is a TV wall, which is the highlighted wall, and in the bedroom near the bed headboard. Even you can use in office, any space that needs a stylish upgradation. So another advantage is because they are 100% waterproof, rust proof and resistant to moisture, so making them a perfect for giving any space a premium look. It has some beautiful advantages like budget friendly compared to other wall treatment panels. PVC panels are super affordable, which offers a luxurious look without expensing too much. It will give a beautiful premium look to your walls, like you can see in this video. It has lots of varieties of designs, so you will get a wide range of colors, patterns and textures to match your style. Another advantages of its easy installation, so they are quick to easily install. Your room can be transformed in just one day, and it is also very low in maintenance, so cleaning with a breeze, just wipe them with a damp cloth. And most of the PVC panels are environmentally safe. Even it works on the perfect for damp walls. They work great on walls with the moisture issues, so no need for the paint or putty. So friends, now we're going to discuss their price. So let me assume that your wall size is 10 by 15, so the total area is 150 square feet of the wall, which is a highlighted wall, and each panel area size is 8.3 square feet area, which covers. So for 150 square feet we require 18 to 19 number of panels, and one panel price starts from 380 to 400 rupees per piece, which I'm talking about is a super heavy PVC panel. So the required number of panels into, we will multiply this 400 rupees of each panel. So the requirement of panel was 18 to 19 panels, so we will multiply this 19 into 400 rupees. So the price of panels comes is 7,600 rupees. And for installing we require a labor, so the labor will charge almost 2,000 rupees for 10 by 15 area. So we will add this 2,000 rupees extra. And another material which is required is the corner putty, like so for 4 corners we require 4 putty, so each putty will price 120 rupees. So the 4 putty will cost you 480 rupees and 150 rupees for adhesive. So now we will add these things, so 7,600 for the PVC panel plus corner putty for 480 rupees plus adhesive and plus labor charges 2,000 rupees. So friends, for installing 150 square feet wall, the total price comes is 10,230 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate as per your size of wall. So if you'll go with the 10 by 10 wall, so you can multiply this with 73 rupees per square feet. Means it is everything included, like labor charges and panel price, adhesive, corner putty. So friends, we will know the drawbacks of the PVC wall panels, because every coin has a two sides. So let's look at the downside. So it is not for the exterior, so avoid using them outdoors or in areas exposed to direct sunlight, as they can fade or warp. and it is prone to damage. So sharp objects or heavy pressure can crack or damage them, so avoid this. Another disadvantages is that PVC panels are not fire resistant, so and may release toxic fumes in the case of fire, so which can be hazardous. So there may be in your mind that do PVC panels solve the damp wall issues? So absolutely, if your home has moisture problem, PVC panels are a game changer. Instead of spending on paint or putty, these panels not only hide the dampness but also protect your walls. Plus, they last much longer than the paint, up to 15 to 20 years. And if you are ever feel like switching things up, you can even relocate them to another room. So these are the some beautiful advantages and price. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment sections, or you can contact through my mail ID.